Hey, hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another episode. Today I will teach you on how to create a website for free. You should be able to learn on how to create a website without having to contact anybody to create it for you, and it's very easy. So let us not waste our time. So the first thing is to do is to go to to type the web browser. Blogger.com. To browse or any of the web browsers you are using, because I recommend Opera and the Google Chrome. You click on it. Then the second step is to click on create your blog and sign up with your active email address. You click on choose your account, and then you input your password, and then the Google message will show the two-step verification, and Google wants to make sure if it is you that you are trying to sign it. Use your phone and check the message. Then check the message. If it is you, then you click on yes, it's me. Then this third step is to type any special name for your blog. Click next, and then you choose a temporary URL for your blog. Click next. But note that this URL can be changed later if you want to edit. Then the fourth step is to include your display name, because this display name can be your brand name or any other name that will be displayed to the readers, that will be displayed the readers of your blog. Then click on finish. So after it's done creating, your website has been created successfully. And then on the left side, here are some of the tools you use in developing your website. So you do this and edit the theme of your website. If you have something to post, you can edit the theme of your website too. So after clicking on the themes, here you have varieties of themes that you can choose from. So you just scroll to the themes and select any theme you want. and then you click on the theme of your choice and click on to apply immediately, and it will be applied to your website. And then under the Contempor Lite, you click on apply. So when it's done applying, you click on settings, and here you can see your website details. You can also change the blog address if you want to. So after you create your website, you right click on your website, you right and click on a copy like by the letter like this, then click on copy, or you can even use as a copy address, and then you open a new tab, then you right click paste and go, and let's test if the website is working. As you can see, the website works perfectly, and that's how you can create a website for free for each and every one of you. In the next video, is how to create a Google Mail account for free. Then on another video is how to create a YouTube channel for free for each and every one of you. So and that's all for today. So if the video was helpful and you learned it well, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you up in the next episode. Please subscribe and turn on both notifications for more updates and for more similar content.